Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to contact Instagram support for help. If you're using Instagram and you want to contact your Instagram support for help, so let's see how can you do that. There is two ways. If you have logged in your account, so you must have to open your Instagram account, and from here you can easily access Instagram support. Or if you haven't logged in your account, so you must have to use your browser. First of all, I'm going to use my app. Just open Instagram app, and here just tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here just scroll down and you'll get the help option here. Just tap on help option, and then you must have to select help center or support request. You must have to select help center option here. Once you have that, you will get Instagram support for help, and from here you can easily manage if you are having any problem, or if you don't have or don't log in your account. So let's see how can you access Instagram help. So you must have to open your browser. It may be Chrome, and here just search for Instagram help center. Just search for that and just open the first website. Once you have that, your Instagram support or help center will be opened. So in this way you can easily contact Instagram support for help. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.